$100 and 30 days to turn it into $1,000. If I failed, I'd be broke. But if I succeeded, I'd have a 3-step playbook to make money that anyone could copy. In this video, I'm going to give you the exact playbook I used to turn this $100 into this $1,000. And I did it all from my laptop with 0 connections. These are systems you can literally start using the second this video ends. This was my grocery money for the month, so if I lost it, I literally wouldn't eat. I put a 30-day timer on the screen, and the challenge began. But if I could pull this off, it would prove that anyone can make serious money with a little bit of hustle. And if you watch until the very end of this video, I will give you the exact spreadsheet I use to track every single penny, so you can do this yourself. No secrets. I'm showing you everything. To make this challenge legit, I had to set some crazy rules. Rule hash 1. I could only use my laptop. No leaving my house. This had to be 100% online. Rule hash 2. I could only use the original $100. Every single dollar I made had to go back into the challenge to make it grow even faster. And for rule hash 3, to keep myself from quitting, I posted daily updates to my friends. They were watching my every move. And the final, most important rule. If any strategy took more than 20 minutes to set up, I immediately quit and moved on. This challenge was all about speed. We needed momentum, not perfection. Day 1. I opened Facebook Marketplace with a super simple idea. People are lazy and sell things for way too cheap. I messaged 20 people selling stuff for around $30 and offered them $25 cash right now. 5 of them instantly said yes. That's a 25% success rate just by being fast. I bought a speaker, some comics, a board game, just random stuff. Then, I immediately checked eBay's sold listings to see their real price, relisted them for 40 or 50 bucks, and within 48 hours, everything sold. I made $90 in pure profit. I almost doubled my money in 2 days. So I did it again, and again, and again. By day 6, I had flipped that $100 into $300 just by finding stuff people didn't want and selling it to people who did. It's the easiest money you will ever make. This isn't just about being a scavenger, it's about seeing value where other people see junk and moving faster than anyone else. I was basically creating my own paycheck out of thin air. Okay, I had $300 and it was time to level up. I spent a tiny bit of my profit on some insane tools. A Canva Pro trial for $30 and a $70 AI copywriting tool. These weren't expenses, they were cheat codes to make money faster. Then, I went on Fiverr and created a gig to make simple social media graphics for just $15. Using my new tools, I could make a professional graphic in literally 12 minutes. Within 10 days, I made another $400. The reviews started pouring in, my gig went to the top, and clients started messaging me for $50 logo bundles. The lesson? Don't look for the gold, sell the shovels. I was helping other people with my simple skill. What's a simple skill you have? You could be selling it on Fiverr right now. It's free money just sitting there waiting for you. This is where things get insane. And huge disclaimer, do not do this unless you are willing to lose it all. This is not financial advice. I took $200 of my profit and put it into a stock trading account. My strategy was insane. I would only trade for the first hour of the day when the market is going crazy. I practiced with fake money first because I'm not an idiot. Then, I went live. My rules were simple. I would only risk $30 on a single trade, and I was trying to make $60. 2 trades a day, that's it. I traded huge stocks like Nvidia and Coinbase. The rush was insane. After 4 winning trades in a week, I turned my $200 into $450. As soon as I hit my goal, I pulled my money out. Greed will destroy you in trading. This is playing with fire, but if you're disciplined, you can make crazy money. Fast. We were so close to the $1,000 goal, it was time to combine everything. I found a broken PS5 for just $70. I bought a tiny part for it online for $20, spent a few hours fixing it, and sold the parts on eBay for a $120 profit. Boom, that's the flipping method. Then I ran a massive 24-hour sale on my Fiverr gig. I messaged all my old clients and offered them a discount. 6 people bought my $60 bundle in 1 day. That's another $360. That's the skill method. And for the final move, I jumped back into trading and made a quick $100 profit during a big market event. Boom! Trading method. Look at the balance. We didn't just hit $1,000, we hit $1,300. But the challenge was to make $1,000. So you know what I did with the extra $300? I gave it to charity, because that's what we do. The system works. If you're getting any value from this video, do me a favor and destroy the subscribe button right now. If this video gets 10,000 likes, I will drop the link to my private Google sheet that tracks all of this stuff automatically. You need this sheet. So hit subscribe and like the video right now. Let's recap the insanity. Method hash 1, flipping random stuff on Facebook, made us $300. Method hash 2, selling a simple skill on Fiverr, made us $500. And method hash 3, the crazy high-risk trading, made us another $200. Grand total, $1,000. And the craziest part? I only spent 11 hours doing this over the entire month. 11 hours. My fastest flip took 9 minutes. My biggest loss was only $22 because I was disciplined. It's all in the spreadsheet I'm giving you. This isn't magic, it's just following the steps. People think you need to be rich to make money. It's just not true. All you need is a system. I just gave you 3 of them. Take $100, pick one of these methods, and just do it. Don't think, just execute the plan. And when you make your first $1,000, I want you to screenshot it and tweet it at me. I will retweet the first 50 people who do it because I want to see you guys win. Next week, I'm taking this $1,000 and turning it into $10,000. So if you're not subscribed, you're going to miss the craziest video yet. If you're starting this challenge with me, comment, "I'm in" down below right now. Go check out my blog for more insane challenges. Now stop watching me and go make some money.